Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel and also to another best out of waste video. Today I am going to make a first aid box. To make this DIY first aid box, I upcycled an old hot pot box that was lying unused at home for days. I covered it using one-sided printed waste paper and used Fevicol marker, a red sketch pen, scissors, or also a blade to craft and detail it. So basically I wrapped the entire box with the white paper, like I pasted it on the entire box inside out everywhere, and then I just wrote first aid on the top of the box and on the main front part. You can also we can write on all the five sides, like the front, back, up, and both the sides, right and left. And that's it. I just put all the medicines and band-aids and everything, like Dettol, cotton, everything in the box, and that's it. My first aid box, DIY first aid box, is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.